Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your app icon on your iPhone with shortcuts, right? So first of all guys, you have to just open your shortcut. Then on the top right side option, you can see a plus icon. So just click on that. After that, in the middle, you have to click on the action. Then guys, on the top, you will see the search bar. Just type the open. And here you will see a result that is called open app. So just click on that. Then after that, you have to click on the app button and click on it. Now guys, you have to select any of the app which you want to change the icon. So for example, if I take this app and if I want to change the icon, you can easily do it. To do it, you have to select the blue button which is on the top right side corner. And after that, you can click on add to home screen. And after that guys, you can see click on the new shortcut, and after that you can select take photo, choose photo, or after that you can choose a photo from the file too. So right now I will choose a photo, and here I will choose a normal photo, and after that you have to select it. And you have to press add on the top right side corner, and that's it. So icon of that phone or the app has been completely changed. So if you found this video really easy, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.